Most rebuilders don't fail because they lack tools. They fail because they chase templates instead of truth. You can copy funnels, swipe emails, and mimic thumbnails, but if your audience doesn't trust you, it won't convert. This video is for anyone starting over, anyone rebuilding, anyone tired of faceless automation and ready to lead with congruence. I'm going to show you exactly how I rebuilt my affiliate system from scratch, step by step. No fluff, no filler. We'll cover trust first funnels, personal rotation, thumbnail anchoring, and how to deploy daily without burning out. Stay to the end because I'll reveal the exact protocol I use to compound trust, ranking, and remote income across platforms. Funnels don't fix identity. You can't automate authenticity. That's why I rebuilt from the ground up, starting with emotional congruence, not conversion tactics. Every asset I deploy is anchored with my real photo, my real story, and my real rebuild. This is the foundation of my system, and it's built for beginners who want to lead with trust. So if you're wondering about what this video is all about, here it is, word for word. Home Business Academy for Beginners, my step-by-step system setup for affiliate success. That's the protocol. That's what I'm walking you through today. Home Business Academy is built for rebuilders, for beginners, for people who want to build a home-based business with integrity. It's simple, ethical, and designed to help you create a remote income system that compounds. If you're starting over, this is where I started and where I still show up daily. Now here's exactly why I set up my affiliate system with HBA. How I do it. Full title visibility on every overlay. Daily documentation, one video, one email, one comment engine. And this is my rebuild protocol, and it's enforced daily, and we teach you this with a system that will build this or any other system, okay? Fix this camera. It's really bothering me how I'm not in the middle. Sorry. Now some days I'm the mentor, some days I'm the struggler, some days I'm the architect. I rotate personas not to confuse, but to connect. Because different people need different versions of me, and every version is real. Set God and say, marketing is no longer about the stuff you make, but the stories you tell. Rebuilding isn't glamorous, it's quiet, it's slow, it's strategic. You'll post things that no one likes. You'll build systems that no one sees yet, but that's the work. That's the protocol. And here's the mistake most rebuilders still make. They chase visibility before congruence. Churchill said, success is stumbling from failure to failure with no loss of enthusiasm. That's powerful. Every thumbnail I deploy uses my actual real photo, not an AI. Every overlay shows the full title, no truncation, no bait, no just clarity. Every funnel starts with emotional congruence. If it doesn't feel like friendship, it doesn't go live. This is my step-by-step setup, and it starts with showing up as myself. If this helped, drop a comment. I read every one, even the quiet ones. Share this with someone rebuilding. It might be the theme they needed today. Subscribe if you want more rebuild logic. I rotate personas daily. So basically, engage, share, comment, subscribe, and let's go. If you're building, don't chase perfection, chase congruence. Document your journey. Deploy mentor-grade systems. And if you're ready to build funnels that compound trust, we've got swipe vaults waiting. Actually, we have 150 emails in our system, okay? We have the best bonuses. We have the real training that you need. This is really bothering me, sorry. Okay. Alright, sorry. That you need to dominate. Not only to train you how to, the step-by-step things, steps you need to generate traffic lead and sales, but and build your email list, because the money is in the list, but to stand out from everybody else. Everybody else using company pages. No, that's not the way. Look at this. A 3K per month funnel. They show you how to, the entire system set up by HBA co-founder Mike Hobbs that allows you to add your autoresponder as an income stream in addition to the HBA products. What? So, get response. What autoresponder to use? You don't need to use a certain one, but set up your 3K funnel. Okay, shows you how to set up your domain name. Then you're here to set up your autoresponder. And here's another done for you funnel. I think this is it right here. Watch this. How cool does this look? Can you imagine showing this? Okay, but again, I would rather show something like this. Hopefully it shows up. No, sorry, that's not it. Right here. This is my lead, sorry, not my lead catcher page, but my thank you page. Okay, has a real video of me. You're not gonna be able to hear it, but has my phone number, my real phone number, my name. Shows me telling my story and introducing myself and why I can help you and why you should listen to me and my story, my journey, my story. And then I hand you off to a founder of the system, okay? And this system also feeds starving children. How cool is that? Not only that, but it pays 80% commissions, residually and one-time commissions. Everything's 80%. So if you start at $25 and you bring someone in, guess what? That person pays you $20 a month each and every month for as long as they stay. So you got 50 people, 50 times 20 is 1,000. That's math, and that's something that sets us apart from every other system. Let's say you made $3,000 this in the first month, right? Or after several months of struggling, okay? You finally break through, it finally clicks, right? You make $3,000, okay? But the next month, you make $300. That doesn't happen with HBA. If you get to the $2,000 to $3,000 level, guess what? Even if you add nobody, you're still making $2,000 a month. That will get a lot of things done. What if it's $4,000? What if a year later you're at $4,000 a month? Could you quit your job? Could you start doing the things that not only money freedom but time freedom dictates? The things you wanted to do all your life. I know what I want to do, but what do you want to do? Can you imagine it? Close your eyes and imagine it, because it can happen with this system. Residual income is super, super powerful. And again, you're not starting over zero. You keep every single person you add. As long as they stay in the system, you get paid month after month after month after month. That's the type of stability you need to be able to quit your 9 to 5 or whatever your goal is, okay? Everything I've shared today comes from my rebuild protocol, okay? Home Business Academy set up for beginners. My step-by-step setup for affiliate success. Okay? I want to show you something a couple things before I go, okay? I want to show you we put our money where our mouth is. I told you we have the best team and we have the best training. We're building a training site that I joined for when I joined Affiliate Mentor. And it was why I joined Affiliate Mentor, because I wanted this training that would show me how to rank on YouTube and even Google. I can show you some proof of that, right? I hope I'm not logged in. I'm not logged in. I want to show you something. I'm on Google. You can see I'm not signed in, right? Okay, I'm going to show you how powerful this system is. This is still ranked 2 days later, #1. Okay, my video. This is me. My picture. This is me. Over people that have been around for. This person right here has been around for 6 years. Everybody else. This term ranked #1 on Google, not just YouTube. Google. That's the type of training you get with our system. Okay, not only for you, but for anybody you bring in. That's what attracted me to Affiliate Mentor. It was the person and the training they were offering, because it's step-by-step videos and even live training for you to become that badass affiliate that walks stages, okay? This is the type of training that everybody else is scared to teach you. Attraction marketing, okay? How to build daily lead traffic leads and sales to any single program. Any program. So this has been around for many years. I said right here, Amy Star Allen has been around in this program for 6 years. Okay? So it's not going anywhere. They feed starving children. They're awesome. They pay 80% commissions, okay? Amazing, right? So if you want to make money online, how to learn how to make money from home, and how to make money with affiliate marketing, stuff like that, this is the system. They have the amazing training. But I want to show you something else, okay? Not only did I rank number 1 on Google, okay? I'm going to click right here, okay? On another tab because I want to show you something else, okay? Now, I'm going to go to YouTube, okay? So remember for that term, right? That I ranked number 1 on Google, right? And I ranked before my premiere even came out, before my YouTube was even out. It hadn't even had one single view. It hadn't premiered yet. Okay, watch this. Home, business. Alright, we're going to look at the exact term. What? Did you see that? Okay. Number 1 on Google. Sorry. I don't know where it's at. I think it's right here. Number 1, not signed in, on YouTube. Now that's fucking powerful. Okay, 2 days ago. Now look, it has 34 views. This video is from 5 months ago. This is another video from me, okay? Another video from my teammate. So that's 3 of the top 4 videos. That should tell you something, okay? Another video by me, okay? Another video by me. Another video by me. Another video by me. Another video by me. Now, I'm not saying just showing you this to brag, postcard lifestyle, make money on with JJ. I'm showing you we had like 10 of the top 13 videos. You ever played Monopoly? Okay? How do you win Monopoly? You get as many, first you start with properties, then you get a Monopoly. You got 3 or 2, some are 2, like Boardwalk and Park Place, Baltic Mediterranean, you get it. All the 4 railroads, but you get those monopolies and you put houses on it. Then you buy another house, and then you buy a hotel. Okay? These are terms, and I'm going to show you right here, or I showed you, okay, that everybody ranks for. But check this out. I'm going to show you one more thing, okay? I'm going to go to this video right here. Of course, it's not loading. I don't know why it's not loading, but we're going to go right here. We're going to move on. Okay, so I'm going to go to the right here and show you that I'm actually using this funnel builder, right? Copy. Okay? And we're going to change this. And then I'm going to get out of here because it's getting close to 15 minutes. Paste. So just that simple. Look, now it has the title. So now we're going to go get the video, right? So we're going to hit share, copy, we'll go back to the website, we're going to click this edit video, right? Now watch how the system, it changes, the text and the video. What? And I showed you, I ranked number 1 on Google and YouTube. Would you like this training? Would you like to build a clone army? Not only will train you the step-by-step things to dominate, to build your email list, to get daily lead, traffic leads, and sales, but your teammates too. You can build a team with this training for any system. This is JJ Solid, aka John Solid, aka your Freddy Neighborhood Solid Man. Don't delay, get with JJ today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.